Hello, explorers of the past. Welcome to the Páginas do Passado channel. Today we are going to unravel the secrets of the pyramids of Egypt. Get ready for a fascinating journey through the history, mysteries, and ingenuity of ancient civilizations. Introduction to the theme. The pyramids of Egypt are monuments that defy time and logic. Built more than 4,500 years ago, these colossal structures continue to fascinate and intrigue people around the world. But how were they built? What secrets do they hide? Let's find out together. Chapter 1: Construction of the Pyramids. The construction of the pyramids is one of the greatest engineering feats in history. The Great Pyramid of Giza, for example, was built with about 2.3 million stone blocks, each weighing an average of 2.5 tons. It is believed that tens of thousands of workers were involved in the construction, organized into specialized teams. They cut, transported, and assembled the blocks with impressive precision. A widely accepted theory suggests the use of ramps to elevate the blocks. These ramps could be straight, spiral, or even internal, built around the pyramid as it grew. Egyptology expert, ramps are a logical explanation, but there are still many questions about how these ramps were dismantled as the pyramid was completed. Chapter 2: Theories about the construction. Despite the consensus on the use of ramps, other theories also gain prominence. The theory of levers and pulleys suggests that these mechanisms could have facilitated the movement of heavy blocks. Ancient engineering expert, levers and pulleys would have been an effective way to minimize the effort required to lift the blocks, although this still does not completely explain the entire process. Alternative theories also include the possibility of lost technologies or even extraterrestrial intervention, although these are widely rejected by the scientific community. Chapter 3: Mysteries and Secrets. In addition to construction, the pyramids hold many mysteries. The precise alignment with the cardinal points, for example, demonstrates advanced knowledge of astronomy. Inside the pyramids, there are chambers and passages that have not yet been fully explored. Some of them remain inaccessible to this day. The arrangement of the chambers, including the king's chamber and the queen's chamber, raises questions about their purpose and symbolism. Inscriptions and hieroglyphs on the walls of the pyramids and nearby tombs offer clues about religious rituals and the afterlife according to Egyptian beliefs. Interview: Archaeologist, each new discovery in the pyramids can alter our understanding of the ancient Egyptian civilization. There is still much to be revealed. Conclusion: the pyramids of Egypt continue to fascinate and challenge us. Each discovery brings us a little closer to the truth but also raises new questions. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until the next exploration. Thank you for watching. Leave in the comments what you think about the pyramids and what other mysteries of history you would like to see here. See you in the next video.